how our SEO system publishes over 100 blog articles every single month. You can steal the system and implement it in your own business, or just hire us to do it. My name is Nathan Hirsch, one of the founders of TrioSEO, and today I'm going to take you through our entire process, start to finish. Before we start, I want to give a shout out to Airtable. Airtable is a software we use to keep everything organized. We love Airtable, not the biggest fan of Notion. Do you like Notion? Hate Notion? Do you like Airtable? Hate Airtable? Let us know in the comments below. Curious what you guys think. Now keep in mind, organization is a key to scaling a business, and SEO is no different. To scale a great SEO system, you need three things: consistency, systems, and strategy. They all play a good part. And again, we use Airtable to manage everything and to keep it organized. We think it's better than Notion. We use Airtable to track everything, systemize content, and organize our strategy. That's what it's all about. So let's break down step 0. Before you even start, get an idea. It's here that you add topics data. And you do this by brainstorming, by doing research, using ChatGPT. There's a lot of different ways, but this is where you get the ideas for the different topics. Let's break down phase 1. Step number 1, create an outline, and you can do this in Google Docs. We like to link the Google Docs into Airtable, but that's the basic outline to get started. Number 2, we review the outline, make any edits and feedbacks. Number 3, we complete the outlines and they are now ready to be assigned. Number 4, we assign the outlines to the writers. We have a whole writing team and the writers get to work doing what they do. And number 5, we get back that final article, we review it, we do feedback and any edits. So it's here in Airtable that we create an assembly line: ideas, outlines, reviewing the outlines, assigning the outlines to our writers, the writers doing their thing and writing the articles, and then reviewing and editing. That is how you make a streamlined content system. So that was phase 1. Let's jump into phase number 2. It starts off with edits. Any edits that we need from our writers, and we always want client feedback. Now, we're not trying to get feedback on grammar, individual words. We want high-level feedback from our clients to make sure we understand their business and their ideal client. Step number 7 is upload. This signals to our upload team that these articles are ready to get uploaded to our clients' blogs. Now, in this stage, there might be some edits needed as we go to upload, but for the most part, uploading is pretty smooth. Step number 8, we review the uploads. We make sure everything went as planned, we approve it, and we click publish. Step number 9, internal links. We add any internal links to the articles now that they're published. Number 10, we submit these to Google, GSC, and we request indexing. Step number 11, we are all done, and we move on to the next one. The entire process is complete. Again, any edits needed with the writers, upload, signal to our uploading team that we're ready for uploads with any edits that are involved there. We review the upload and publish it, add internal links, request indexing, and it's complete. Now in Airtable, as the team changes statuses, content automatically moves throughout the production phase. And here's the best part and what we really like. Clients have personalized views inside Airtable to monitor their content as it moves through the production funnel, so they can see exactly what step it is along the way. This is why we love Airtable at TrioSEO. Hopefully I was able to run through this process with you and you understand it. If you're interested in using our production process in your business, reach out to me, Nathan at TrioSEO, and we'd love to chat with you about both our outline and full writing packages. Thank you so much for watching.